Today I'm going to show you how I create clean, structured and natural looking brows from start to finish. This routine includes shaping, taming, filling and highlighting. If you follow these steps exactly, you will consistently achieve smooth, balanced and professional looking brows. First, I start by shaping the brow with a blade. This step is the foundation of everything, because the cleaner your brow outline is, the more flawless the final result would look. I take my time and gently trace along the natural brow line, removing any stray hairs above and below the brow. Instead of rushing, follow the natural shape, making sure both brows looks as even as possible. I pay extra attention to the beginning of the brow, the arc, and especially the tail area. Any detail probably gives the brow a sharp, lifted effect that instantly make the whole face look neater. Side shape, I always work in small strokes. Never take off too much hair at once. It's better to build slowly so you don't accidentally thin the brows more than you want. This whole process might take a few minutes, but it's worth it. A well-shaped brow creates a smooth base for your product, helps your pencil glide better, and makes the final highlight look clean and precise. Once the outline looks neat on both sides, I move on to the next step. After shaping, the next step is taming the brow hair so everything stays in place. I start by applying a small amount of brow wax. This helps the brow hairs to lay flat and follow the direction I want. It also gives a clean base so the pencil doesn't slip around while filling. I brush the wax through gently, lifting the front hairs slightly for a natural, fluffy look, and then smoothing the arc and tail downward. This step alone already makes the brows look neater. Once the wax is evenly applied, I lightly set it with a translucent powder. This keeps the wax from feeling greasy and also control the shine. It creates a matte, felt base that grips the eyebrow pencil better and prevents the product from smudging later. Now it is time to start filling. I begin with a brown brow pencil using light pressure. I outline the bottom of the brow with small, gentle strokes. I do not start at the very front. I begin slightly behind the front of the brow so the beginning can remain soft and natural. After outlining the bottom, I move to the top of the brow and repeat the same light strokes. This gives the brow a defined structure without making it look too heavy. After creating the outline, I fill in the sparse area with the same brown pencil. I follow the natural direction of the hairs and use strokes that mimic real hair strands. At this point, the brow should look softly defined. To enhance the depth and add more definition, I switch to a black pencil. I use the black pencil very lightly, only in selected areas, mostly on the tail and the outer part of the brows. This helps create a natural gradient where the brow looks fuller at the tail and softer at the front. If you apply the black pencil with a gentle hand, it blends beautifully with the brown and creates a realistic ombre effect. I brush through the brows again with the spoolie. This blends the pencils together and removes any harsh line. Blending is what makes the brow look natural even though we used 2 pencil shades. Next, I clean up the edges with concealer. This is where the brows really come to life. For the brow bone, I use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. This brightens underneath the brow and has that lifted effect that makes the whole high area look awake. I apply it slowly and blend outward so there will be no harsh lines. For the inner corner, I switch to a concealer that matches my exact foundation shade. So matching your skin tone here helps everything blend seamlessly into your makeup. To everyone who wants to start earning from makeup, don't miss my book, How to Turn Your Makeup Skill into a Paying Brand. It breaks everything down step by step. Get yours using the link in the description. I take my time to smooth the edges and sharpen the tail. These steps gives that professional finish you always see in high quality makeup looks. Then after that, I used my translucent powder to give it matte look and finer and finishing looks. If you enjoyed this video and you want more detailed makeup lessons, make sure you subscribe and explore the other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. I love ya.